Hey guys, you already know it's the fall season. It's your girl Royalty, and we are going to talk about Halloween costumes. Also, if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna have a ton of fall and Halloween videos coming out. I already posted on my channel DIY boo baskets, and I went to 3 locations. I went to the dollar store, Walmart, and to Five Below. We're breaking this video into 3 different categories. We're having the baddie costumes, your costumes with your friends, and then couple costumes. So I'll have those timestamped down below if you guys want to just go and click them. A lot of them you can just use like the group costumes for like solo costumes, or the baddie outfits for like group outfits. So honestly, just watch the whole video, see what you like, and let's be creative this year. So starting off with the baddie outfits, this is not going to be in any particular order. Gym Barbie or the workout Barbie, they're super cute. You can, find a Ken, but good luck finding a guy who's just like okay with dressing up as Ken, because he's a little fruity. If you don't like Barbie, just go with Bratz. You have Bella Lestrange from Harry Potter. She's just like super cool, super iconic. This is a costume that you can just DIY and recreate with some of the things that you already have. Next one is unique. I have never seen anybody do it, but it's like a dripping blood, like prom queen, pageant queen type of situation. Super easy to recreate. You just need a tiara, cute dress, and a satchel, which you can usually find at the Dollar Tree anyways, or Amazon. Catwoman, and I think she's also like super cute, a staple, and I don't think this costume is just ever gonna be something that people get tired of. It's just like a black latex outfit, maybe a mask, and a whip if you're feeling very in control at the moment. This is one that you can do with a group and just be like a whole group of like kittens, honestly. Shell from the Road to El Dorado. I've seen this one be made so many times. I think this is not like well known to where I see people around my area doing it. I think it's like a sexy costume that you can get away with, and honestly it's super easy to sew and DIY. This is another costume that you can DIY, super simple. All you need is a striped shirt, but Chucky. I've seen so many different versions of this, from like sexy to like family friendly. If you just wear the striped shirt, people know what you are and hold like a little like bloody knife or whatever. Cruella from 101 Dalmatians. She is iconic. And I say that because she's like your villain-esque character. Also guys, I have a Shein try-on haul coming with a couple of Halloween costumes to just test their quality, because Halloween really doesn't need to be expensive. So if you want to see that, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and come back on Thursday. Mermaids or sirens. You can be the cute little mermaid type princess character, or you can just be a siren who's just alluring a sailor to them. But there's so many different variants, and if I wasn't going to go with the ones I already had this year, I definitely would have done that one. This is for the baddies completely. This costume needs to be 100% embodied by like some divine feminine woman. I'm telling you, the enchantress from The Mummy, I think is just super crazy and cool how she just transforms. I've seen a lot of people DIY this, and if you guys want to see a video, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll go ahead and DIY the costume. Another low budget costume, or honestly you can just get it from your closet, is a frat boy. Whether you want to just get a whole squad of people and do like the frat boy with the khaki shorts, or you want to do kind of what she's doing and just has a wife beater and a bunch of like kisses and a tie, I think it's super cute. Doesn't cost any money for you guys, at least for the majority of people, and it's still recognizable. Greek goddesses. What more can I say about it? The princesses. I put a couple examples up here. It really just depends on what princess you like and how you want the costume to fit around you. But always a staple. Girls love dressing up as princesses, and it's a super cute group outfit. Jessica Rabbit. All you need is a red dress, some purple gloves, and people are going to recognize who your costume is. And if you don't have red hair, just go ahead and get a wig or get the little temporary spray paint. You can find those usually at Walmart or any like costume store. This one's a little bit out of the box, but Lady Gaga. If you guys have seen her video, I think it was Poker Face, they DIY'd the little sunglasses with the cigarettes on it and the Coke cans in her hair, and I think it's just super cool. Medusa, The Incredibles, Poison Ivy, or honestly any superhero, supervillain. The Purge, whether you want to do it by yourself or with a group, super cute, super fun, recognizable. The Runaway, or like Bloody Bride, and this one is the Miami favorite, a botched surgery. So basically like a surgery that's gone bad. You have like bandages on you, little arrows, like if the surgeon's telling you like where to cut and everything like that, and just like fake blood. Let me know if you guys also want a part 2, but we are going into the couples category. Men in Black. All you need is a suit and tie and maybe like a little alien. This is a super cute out of the box outfit for couples. You have your astronaut and your alien. Ash and Pikachu, which is honestly like a little cute one, especially if you have like a Pokemon nerd. Catgirl and Batman, or Batman and Batgirl. But I think it should be Catwoman and Batman. Clowns. This is super simple and DIY friendly and cheap. Just put on some black outfits and just get some makeup and like play around with it. This one's cute and like a little throwback to people who watch cartoons, but Wanda and Cosmo, throwback to my childhood, and I really do just love this one. All you really need is like the spray paint, the outfit, and like a little crown coming up the top of your head. This is gonna be your Scooby-Doo one. Daphne Bonnie and Fred, and then you have Velma and Shaggy, or honestly even add Scooby-Doo in there. Deadpool, the female version and the guy version, Fred and Wilma, or if you have a family and want me to do a family video of costumes, Harley Quinn and the Joker. I'm not gonna tell you guys all the costumes that I have just yet, just wait till Thursday, but Harley Quinn-esque Joker is gonna be kind of one of my big ones to do my whole photo shoot. I got the green wig and everything, so if you guys want to see that, definitely stay subscribed. Lilo and Stitch, and like this guy's literally just wearing like a onesie. Like he's probably gonna wear that every single day at his house when he's just relaxing. Comfy, cute, recognizable. Hugh Hefner and the Playboy Bunny. I will say this one is a very staple one, but I feel like you do see it so much, especially here in Miami. So take it with a grain of salt, guys. All you need is like a robe, maybe some like little kisses onto your chest and stuff like that, and girls just a bunny outfit. Mario and Princess Peach. NASCAR drivers, Ratatouille and the chef. So all you need is like a little mouse or little baker's hat. The Scream mask couple. There are a bunch of Scream masks in Walmart actually right now, and I didn't see the one that's going viral, but it is a pink one that's like bedazzled. Shark Boy and Lava Girl, Timmy Turner and Trixie, vampires, a werewolf, and Little Red Riding Hood. I do see Little Red Riding Hood a lot, but I haven't really seen like any couples do it together. And for our last category, we do have our friends costumes. Brats, cave woman. You know, some girls really have that beast in them. Who's to say they can't go around with like torn up clothes and like a bone in their hand? Cheerleaders, Clueless, which is mostly like your plaid Chanel-esque looking patterns. If you guys haven't seen that movie, make sure to go check it out. It's super iconic. I love the fact that her closet has like a little iPad and she can just swipe the outfit that she wants and it just comes like to her. Fairies just need a pair of wings and any outfit, honestly. You guys can get matching dresses or like outfits in different colors or different shirts. Mario and Luigi, if you guys are a duo, or honestly just add Wario and the purple dude in there. I think it's like Waluigi, I think is the purple guy. Monsters Inc. And I think this is a cute take on it because it's not necessarily like a full-on costume, but they have their leg warmers and like their little hoodies on. It's just different. So this can look like mummies or like more vampires, but in my head it just kind of looks like mummies. I would just add some more like bandages on there and maybe like wrapped it around here or down their leg and maybe like around their arms. This one I thought I would throw it in here, not for my friend group, but maybe there's some people who really like Ninja Turtles out there. Power Rangers. This one is super cute for a trio. The Powerpuff Girls. You just honestly need anything that's like pink, blue, and green, and you have the three main characters. So for the friend group of girls that want to be like unique but still like be popping out, I would definitely do this one, and it is your villains. Everything from like Chucky, Saw, I don't know all the names, witches. And you have our snow princesses. Obviously you can cover up a little more and everything, but it just depends on what you like. I just thought this picture was super iconic. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want a part 2, definitely let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because I do post every Tuesday and Thursday. Bye.